So the next problem is the integral of 3x over the quantity x squared plus 5 raised to 3 dx. So in this case, what we will do is the u substitution method. So we have to know what is our u. So basically, whatever is on the parenthesis will be our u, which is si x squared plus 5. So itong nasa loob, that will be our u. And if we will take the derivative of that, that will become 2x dx. And sa function mo, meron na ka ng x dx. So what you need to do is just to divide this one by 2. Okay, both sides. So you can have the value or the equivalent of your x dx in terms of du. So that's du over 2. Now, if we will write that in terms of u, we have 3 here. So yung 3, we can move it outside the integral sign. So let's put it here. That will become 3 integral of our x dx, okay, which is this one. That's our du over 2. So let's write it du over 2 all over this one, okay, which is our u. Then, of course, it is raised to 3, so u raised to 3. Okay? So, what will happen is, itong 1/2 dito, itong 2 dito, it is actually 1/2. So, may lalagay natin yan sa labas. So, that will become 3/2. Okay? So, this one, put it here. That will become 3/2. Then, what is left here is du over u raised to 3. So, you can use now. So, that will now become 3/2. Tapos, the integral of that one using general power formula is u negative 3 plus 1 over negative 3 plus 1. So, take note, review, that if there is a function, like for example, si u dito raised to 3, if you want to use the general power formula, kailangan itong u raised to 3 ay kasama ni du sa numerator. So, whenever you put this u raised to 3, so, or something from it, you transfer the function from denominator to numerator, yung exponent niya ang magiging opposite. So, for example, in this case, that's positive 3. So, if you will transfer that to the numerator, it will become u negative 3 du. So, we can integrate it that way. That's why we can use the general power formula. You cannot use ln here because there is an exponent 3. Okay? Na may exponent siya na 3, so you cannot use ln. That's a no-no. So, that is now, okay, so let's put plus c. Then, 3/2. So, our answer now is 3/2 times u raised to negative 2 over negative 2 plus c. So, let's simplify that and also substitute the real value of your u. We can multiply negative 2 to 2. So, that will become 3 over 4. Tapos, itong u pala, u raised to negative 2, we will put it back on the denominator because the right or the proper way to write your final answer, dapat it doesn't contain any negative exponent. So that will become 3 over 4. So that's negative. Let's put a negative there. And u raised to 2 plus c. Now you can substitute the value of your u. That's now negative 3 over 4, our u is this one, si x squared plus 5 raised to 2, okay, plus c. So, meron na po tayong final answer.